Good morning.
Good morning, camper.
It is day two.
Day two?
Day two. We got up at a decent time. We slept in a little bit.
Yeah. Well, I guess not really for us.
Not really for us.
No. But because we don't like to get up early, if you don't know that already.
We're not early risers.
We're not. We like to stay up late.
But it's 10:30 and we're going to get some breakfast.
Pancakes.
Flapjacks.
Flapjacks.
So that's where we're actually going, to a place called Flapjacks.
Yes.
So come along. It was raining last night. It's not raining now. Keep our fingers crossed. We'll hold out for good weather. But we're going to go do some things.
Some stuff and some things.
We're going to see it all.
No.
All the stuff and things that we see.
Well, yeah.
We'll see what we see.
We see what we see.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Still trying to get used to the gimbal. Hi, there you are. So we made it here to Flapjacks. It is right on, what's it called? Parkway. Just across from the island, as they call it. And we just ordered our food. It was a little bit of a wait. It wasn't too long. They told us like 35 minutes, but it was more like 25.
Like 35, 40, and it was more like 20, 25.
Yeah, so just put our food in. We both ordered kind of the same thing. Skillet with eggs and bacon and sausage gravy and biscuits and whatnot. So we'll get it here shortly and hopefully it'll be good.
It will.
Sorry, playing with the... Woo! Oh wait, you went out of focus. Okay. Alright, more later. Alright, breakfast is here. This is the skillet with the biscuits and gravy and eggs and potatoes and sausage, and then it comes with pancakes. And Jamie essentially got the same thing, except she got bacon. She likes bacon, I like sausage.
Back up.
Back up?
Yeah, leave your arms out.
She said, oh, she's photographing, I'm filming. Alright, let's grub. Let me turn. Why am I pausing?
Yeah, you were pausing.
It's Flapjacks review time.
Oh. Flapjacks review time.
Yeah. What'd you think?
The biscuits and gravy were really good. The bacon had a weird taste to it. And the pancakes were pancakes.
Were they pancakes or were they flapjacks?
They were flapjacks.
What's the difference?
They're the same damn thing.
Oh, okay.
I don't know. Maybe they're not. I haven't studied the history of pancake-like foods. So.
Yeah. I had the link sausage. We had basically the same thing, but I had the link sausage. And the link sausage, the jumbo link sausage was really, really good. It was like a really big breakfast sausage. So if you like breakfast sausage, I would recommend the jumbo link sausage. I did try your bacon, and I agreed with you. It did have kind of a sweet, floury kind of taste to it.
Yeah, it was weird.
Yeah. Other than that, it was really good.
I'm so full.
We are so full.
Like, I could burst.
I didn't even finish mine. I ate like half of mine.
I ate about half of mine.
Yeah.
About half my pancakes and maybe 3/4 of my skillet.
Yeah. So now we're going to try to get back out on the road. There's some crazy people in the parking lot. We're going to try to get back out on the road. Have they moved yet?
I think so.
Okay. So we're going to try to get back out on the road. We're going to hit up some other stuff and see what we can do.
Yeah.
All right.
So yesterday was a washout.
It's day 3. So I'm thinking day 2 and day 3 will be one video. This is probably part of day 2.
Yeah.
Or we'll follow day 2.
Yeah.
We planned on yesterday. We didn't plan on doing a whole lot, but we planned on doing a little bit more than what we did. But it pretty much rained the most of the afternoon, so we just came back to the campsite.
And not just a sprinkling rain.
No.
It was a deluge.
Yeah, like heavy rain. So, we watched a movie. We played on our phones. We sat outside when it wasn't raining too hard and looked at the creek.
I got drenched by our awning. I wish he would have caught that on video.
Oh God,
that
it was so
hilarious.
good. The edge of our awning kind of flipped up, so when it stopped raining, we went outside to sit outside for a minute. So she pulled the edge of the awning down and tried to flip the edge down, and it just whoosh.
Gave me an impromptu shower.
Yes, she was drenched. So, but today, I think our plan is we're at the trolley stop in the middle of the park. We're gonna take the trolley. It's $1.
$1 per person. For each leg you take it.
Right. It takes you into downtown Pigeon Forge to the trolley station. And once you get to the trolley station, you can buy a wristband, ride all you want, supposedly for $3.
All day.
All day
pass.
Yeah, all day pass for $3.
And it's supposed to rain today, but you know what? We're going to take our chances because we didn't come here to sit in a camper.
Yeah, I mean, it's anywhere from 30 to 60% off and on all day. So we've got our packs with rain jackets.
Rain jackets. I wore a hat and did not do my hair, just in case.
Yeah, and hopefully my bag will keep the camera equipment dry enough. I'll put it on under my raincoat if I have to. But yeah, so hopefully we're going to see a lot more of Pigeon Forge today. Alright, so we made it on the trolley, as you can see. There's Jamie texting away. Look at her text. With all the fury. I'm jealous of your texting skills.
Such a dork.
We made it here to the trolley stop. This is like the center of the old downtown, Old Mill area. It's this cool little village. You can see right here. Just all these old shops. This is also where the famous Old Mill restaurant is. And we'll get down around there here in a minute. Here's our view, waiting on our table. Turn around, say hi. Hi. This is the river that they actually use to turn the wheel of the old mill. Once we get done eating, we'll come around and we'll show you the mill side, the water wheel mill side. That's what you call it, right? Water wheel?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, what'd you get?
Chicken and dumplings, fried okra, macaroni and cheese.
She copied my sides.
No, those are just my favorite sides.
We're
If
so
they're on the menu, I'm going to order them regardless.
we're so alike. I got country fried steak, macaroni and cheese, and okra. So, you'll see it. We'll try it. We'll tell you how good it is. Okay, every meal starts off with corn chowder and corn fritters and a biscuit.
Yeah, we get a biscuit.
And a biscuit. Okay. I thought it was just corn fritters, but corn chowder and corn
Corn
fritters.
chowder, corn fritters.
Yum. Alright, there's my country fried steak, okra, and macaroni and cheese. And there is your... Oh, I got you eating. I caught you. Okra, macaroni and cheese, and
Chicken and dumplings.
chicken and dumplings. Alright, let's grub. Alright, here we are outside the old mill restaurant. There you can see the waterfall and the water wheel. And if you look, there's a way to get down there. I'm gonna try to get down there. There it is, look. I'm gonna try to get down there. Jamie's probably gonna fuss at me, but I'm gonna try it. We'll see what happens. Woo! We made it down here. That's where we just were, up there on that bridge. And there's Jamie getting her pictures. Alright, this is the Old Mill gift shop. Figured we could stop in here and see if they had any magnets.